Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over a Milton Brunson song, He Cares for You. It's going to be in the key of A flat. Okay, let's start off with the intro. You're starting off by playing the note F. You're going to be ascending on your right hand and descending on your left hand. So, here we are, playing an F, G on your right hand, E on your left hand, A flat on your right hand, E flat on your left hand, B flat on your right hand, E, C on your left hand, and then we're going to play this very nice B flat 913, which essentially is just a B flat 7 on your left hand and a D chordal chord on your right hand, fourths. And on the recording you hear the pianist lower the chordal chord a half step really quick and then raise it back up to D. So then we're going to go to B flat minor 7 to an A flat over E flat to an E flat 7, D flat over A flat to A flat, E flat, D flat to A flat. One more time at medium speed. Then we start the verses. It's D flat over F to E flat over G to A flat. So you think that you can't make it through, and you feel like all of your hope is gone. Just remember, God cares for you, and He knows just what's best for you. He cares. He cares for you. And then you'll repeat for the next verse. So to break down the chords slowly, you're playing an A flat chord. You're going to go to an A flat 2 over C, to an F minor, back to that A flat 2 over C. Then you're going to play an E flat chord over D flat, then D flat, then back again to the A flat 2 over C. Then we're going to do a 7-3-6, which is going to be a G minor 7 as the 7. Having the 3, it's going to be a C7 flat 9 to an F minor. And we're going to walk it up to an E flat over G to an A flat minor 6. I think just playing an F minor over A flat to a B flat 9. Oh, and then we're going to go to an E flat 9 sus 4, which is a D flat chord over E flat. all hope is gone. Okay, then we're gonna go to a D flat over F. To an A flat 7. Just remember. Then it's gonna be an F chord, F sharp chord over B flat. An A flat chord over C. To an F sharp chord over D flat. To D flat. And we're gonna go to next an E flat 7 over G, and this is a D flat over F, knows, it's an A flat over E flat, knows just, now this is a B flat over D, to an E diminished 7th, what's best for you, to the F, F minor. Then we're gonna go to the intro again. He cares for you. Okay, so for the next section, you're gonna be playing the A flat. Jesus knows. So it's an A flat to an F sharp to an F minor. I like to add the 11. So the choir is going to be singing Jesus knows, E flat minor. Jesus cares. Alright, to that A flat 9. Jesus knows how much you can bear. And then you're going to be playing this D9 sharp 11. So don't you ever give up. Don't you ever give in. You've got the key. You've got to keep the faith. You've got to trust God. So let's go through that section. So you're starting in A flat to an F sharp to the F minor to the E flat minor. Jesus knows, Jesus cares. Back to the A flat 9. And some bass line walking up. Back to the E flat. How much you can bear. Okay, then you go to the A flat, then the D9. The sharp 11 to the D flat major 9, where she's singing don't you ever give up. Then it's a B flat over D, don't you, to a C, B flat over D again, ever give in, to F minor, E flat over G, to A flat, and you walk down from A flat to F minor, then you're going to go to a B flat 9 sus, to a B flat, we're going to walk up from A flat 2 over C, B flat over D, and then we're going to go to it's a D flat over E flat to E flat. Then we're approaching the chorus now. So A flat, F sharp over B flat, E cares to D flat, okay.